What's going on, guys? It's Courtney, and as you can see, I have the new Songmaker kit by ROLI. They sent it over to me to check out. Thank you guys for that. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make music straight out of the box with this thing. So in order to get this thing going, you have to go to roli.com/GarageBand, and then it will take you to this screen. You will download the ROLI Connect. And since I already have it on my computer, I'm not going to re-download it, but you just click this button. And after that's done and installed, you'll get a little ROLI icon at the top of your taskbar, and it's going to tell you that you need to hook up your blocks via USB. Once you do that, you will turn your power on the device, and then you will hit next, and then it will install all of the settings that you need to be able to use this with GarageBand. Gonna do a little loady thing, and then you should be solid. All right, ready to go. So let's go. In order to hook this thing up via Bluetooth, you're gonna go to your Spotlight and you're gonna type in Audio MIDI Setup. And then you're gonna go to Window, Show MIDI Studio, double click on Bluetooth, hit connect, 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 and now your Bluetooth works. So let's just hit choose new project, create, and it should work. I already have a project made for this, so let me open it. Now, the fun. Let's talk about some of the functions on the blocks themselves. So this is your loop function. So this loops the cycle that you want. This is your metronome. You can turn it on and off here. This is basically your mixer. You turn that on, and then you can adjust the volume for each track. This button changes the mode, and you can mess with the parameters in the plugin itself, or you can change the arrangement of your blocks in order to play drums or any other plugin. This is your play and pause feature. This is your record button, and this button right here teaches you how everything works basically. It's a little guide, and it tells you what everything is. Like, this is a MIDI region, this is your workspace. Plus and minus button lets you go through your tracks easily. So if we're at the top, you can just hit the plus button and it'll go down, and vice versa if we hit the minus button. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the ROLI Songmaker kit. If you want to check this thing out, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well as that little bell so you get a notification every single time I post. And if you want to, follow me over on Instagram, as well as check out my website, creativeminds.com, minds without an I. It is under construction, but it is almost finished. I will be dropping some new drum kits, some merch, and a lot more, so check it out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.